Assets. So assets is pretty straightforward. This is just to track your assets. So for example, if you had a home, you would just put in primary home, which is, and you pick your category of the assets. It's properties, and let's say it's a detached house. Let's say we bought this house for 980,000, and now it's worth 980,000. And so we bought this house last year. Right? Just go back to 2025, 2024. And that's it for assets. So assets, pretty straightforward. There's various categories of assets: your vehicle, any investments you have, crypto, um, and and depending on the category, there's going to be subcategories as well that you can pick.